right?
Yeah.
You know, when we read something out like that, everybody goes, oh, but to be accused by your partner of 18 months.
Yeah. It's not very nice.
There's an 11-week-old baby called Megan involved with this. She's been within 18 months. You say, I've never cheated, I don't want to cheat, but the accusations are just non-stop.
Yeah, they're getting like ridiculous now.
Tell us when it started, just tell us the story.
It started off like jealousy at first, but...
Before you got pregnant?
Yeah, before I got pregnant.
You say they are ridiculous accusations.
They are.
You've been accused of sleeping with anybody and everybody, including his own dad.
Yeah, it's like paranoid.
He actually said to you, I think you've had sex with my dad.
Well, you've probably done with my father. But when it come out in front of his dad, he looked like really embarrassed, like he knew how stupid and pathetic it was.
So it's you that he goes for, it's not anybody else. It's always you.
Yeah.
Tell him what happens when you walk down the street.
If he speaks to anybody, he says, you've been with them.
If you look at somebody in the street.
Yeah, he thinks I've been with people when I was passing in the street.
You actually said, it's really interesting, I know he's the dad, I'll prove he's the dad, he's the one who needs professional help. What do you mean by that?
He's a bit too paranoid.
Can you see it driving you mad?
Yeah, it says driving
I mean, you're smiling, but can you see it driving you away in the end?
Yeah, I have told him if he doesn't get out, then that's it.
So today you're going to prove by DNA that the kid is his, and then you're going to say, get professional help because you're driving me absolutely nuts.
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you strong in front of this guy, or you just roll down and down?
No, problem.
Been around the shirt.
I'll fix it all.
Right, let's get him out. This is Liam, ladies and gentlemen. What's the matter with you, Lee? Just a bit paranoid. Paranoid! Let me tell you something truthfully. You don't have to believe me, you don't have to listen to me. Do you know what she'll do, too? She will run a million miles to be away from you because she will believe she can't breathe. This started a month in. Why? Been cheated on before, have we?
Not really, like, just in the past.
You know when you go out, sure you haven't been out.
No, I don't think so.
Have you looked in the eyes?
No,
So you haven't messed around?
no, never.
Why do you think she has? Why do you think she has?
Don't know, just a paranoid.
About what? What's she done? She doesn't give birth to your child, you can now say mine or do yours.
Things, I mean, she came from.
What thing? Tell me what definitive proof would make you come to the assumption that your girlfriend, the mother of your kid, is sleeping with your dad?
Yeah, it's just when you're out, some people say, oh, you won't watch her, you know what I mean? And then that plays in your head.
She's the mother of your kid, so you think the kid's yours then?
I do like, and I don't, so it's
Why?
sad.
How's it affecting you and the baby? Have you bonded with the baby?
Yeah.
Really? No. You don't think it's yours?
I do, and I don't.
That's nice. How do you the baby feel? What about your dad? You refuse your dad to having sex with your girlfriend.
No, I refuse